How to invest $500 in 2025 for long-term growth. Investing a small amount like $500 can be the start of something big. With smart choices and patience, even a few $100s can grow substantially over time, thanks to compound interest. For instance, $500 invested at a 10% annual return could grow to roughly $10,000 in 30 years. And if you keep adding even $100 per month, you could potentially amass around $238,000 in 30 years at that rate. The key is to pick realistic, low to moderate risk strategies that prioritize long-term growth over short-term gambles. We'll avoid any get-rich-quick schemes or hype and focus on grounded investment options that have minimal barriers to entry. Below are 6 smart ways to put your $500 to work in 2025. Option 1, put it in a low-cost S&P 500 index fund. Want to own a slice of the entire U.S. economy? That's what an S&P 500 index fund does. It tracks the top 500 companies: Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, basically the Avengers of capitalism. Historically, it returns around 8 to 10% annually. Here's how. Open a brokerage account with Fidelity, Schwab, or Vanguard. Look for funds like FXAIX, VOO, or SWPPX. Low fees, high returns. Drop your 500s in and set up auto investments, even if it's just $25 a month. Then sit back and let compound interest do what it does best. Slowly flex. Not flashy, but in 30 years, you'll be glad you skipped the hype coins. Option 2. Use a Robo-Advisor for automated growth. Don't want to pick stocks or decode financial charts that look like alien math? Cool. Just let a Robo-Advisor handle the heavy lifting. Platforms like Betterment, Wealthfront, or SoFi Invest take your $500, ask you a few life questions, no therapy required, and build a diversified portfolio for you. They auto-rebalance, reinvest dividends, and even optimize for taxes. Basically, it's like hiring a financial advisor, if that advisor was a very polite robot who never sleeps. Option 3, open a Roth IRA and get that tax-free freedom. This is the most underrated cheat code for long-term wealth. A Roth IRA lets you invest after-tax money, and the gains grow completely tax-free. That's right, Uncle Sam gets nothing if you play it right. Open one with Fidelity, Vanguard, or Charles Schwab. Drop your $500 in, invest it into an index fund or ETF, and let it sit. Think of it like a time capsule, but instead of burying it, it grows into a 6-figure future. You're not just saving, you're legally finessing the tax system. Option 4, buy fractional shares of powerful stocks. Can't afford one share of Tesla or Nvidia? Neither can 99% of us. But with fractional shares, your $500 can own slices of the biggest names in the game. Use apps like Robinhood, Public, or M1 Finance to build your own mini Avengers portfolio. Grab pieces of growth stocks, dividend giants, or go tech heavy. Set it to auto-invest monthly and hold long-term. Warren Buffett started somewhere. You're just starting with better Wi-Fi. Option 5, get real estate exposure with REITs. No landlords, no toilets, no 2 a.m. tenant calls. Just passive real estate gains. REITs, real estate investment trusts, let you invest in properties without buying them. You get exposure to apartments, malls, warehouses, hospitals, the whole monopoly board. Try ETFs like VNQ or apps like Fundrise where you can start with just $10. Most pay dividends and many reinvest automatically. It's like being a landlord, minus the broken pipes and angry group chats. Finally, option 6. Invest in yourself. Build a money-making skill. This one hits different. Use your $500 to skill up and build something no market crash can take away: your value. Learn to code. Start freelancing. Master AI video tools. Build digital products. $500 can buy a course today that earns you $5K a month next year. Platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, LinkedIn Learning, or even that one guy on TikTok with a suspiciously good course are all solid starting points. At the end of the day, you're your own best investment, and there's no ETF for that yet. So yeah, you don't need a Wall Street internship or a 6-figure paycheck to start building wealth. You just need $500, a game plan, and a little patience. If you got value from this video, hit that like button like it owes you interest. And if you're serious about leveling up, subscribe. I drop real strategies, not recycled fluff. Until next time, invest smart, think long, and remember, the best asset you've got is you.